Hello and welcome to Cohortia, the most powerful community builder with features that help you grow your community hands-free. In this short demo, we will take a look at Cohortia, all the features it has, and how you can use it to build an amazing community online. Right now, I am at technicforce.cohortia.in. This is our own community hosted on Cohortia, and I'm using a subdomain, but you can also point Cohortia to your own fully qualified domain, your own domain. Now, Cohortia has everything that you expect from a powerful community software, everything that your members may want. But on top of that, it has special features that help you get more members and more customers. The first thing, every Cohortia community is also a mobile app. Yes, it can be installed on the mobile phone and can even be listed on the App Store and the Play Store. So yes, it will work just like a standard mobile app so that your members can access you very quickly. We've got features like pin posts, bookmark posts so people can bookmark posts and find them easier later. We've got categories. Your members can start off a post just by clicking and then they can choose the category, they can type it out. They can even use AI to create their post. So if they type in something that is a bit random or that's not grammatically refined, they can ask AI to fix it, or they can create new posts with AI. Also, we've got polls. We've also got scheduled posts so people can schedule a post for later. Now, as an admin, you can even highlight a post and people will see that in special colors when they visit your community so that it'll stand out. And if you have something important to say, you can say that. Cohortia has a nice and simple, easy to consume interface. When you click on a post, it opens up in a new tab. You will see the number of views it got, the number of likes, and also if there are any comments, you will see them and you can put in your own comments too. There is a members profile page where you can see the activities that the member has done, how long they've been around, the streak, the number of contributions they've made. You can also find their posts all in a single place. And if you got chat enabled, yes, you can enable chat in your community, and then any member can send another member a message and even do live chat inside of Cohortia. Cohortia has all the features that you will expect from a professional community software, like a directory of your members that people can search if they are a member, of course. You can have events and people can participate in the events. You can have webinars, you can have calls, and even physical events on Cohortia. And there is a live leaderboard so you can see who is your top member, what kind of work they're doing, how many posts they've made. And this helps in gamification. It helps promote a nice spirit where people want to contribute more to your community. Now that I've shown you how simple and fun Cohortia is for your members, let me get into the insights and show you how powerful Cohortia admin is. Now this is the Cohortia admin. You can see things like the total number of posts, total members, total events, the engagement rate in your community. You can see in a graph the total number of posts and communities on a daily basis. You can even see the views on your community. Is it popular? You can see things like recent comments, recent posts. You can see all the recent activity on it and the recent users that have participated in your community. I'm going to show you some magic. Cohortia supports the regular members, the human members that participate in your community, that are your customers or your members, but it also has a new and innovative concept of virtual members. What is a virtual member? It is an AI member that you can create, that you can name, and it works just like a regular person interacting, engaging, posting on your community all the time, all the day, at your interval, at your set interval, of course, without a break. Now what happens is, because it's an AI member that's creating a lot of content and generating buzz, your community never looks dead even if you are not around to do that work manually, and it sparks off discussion, it sparks off conversations and keeps your community alive and growing. Let's quickly set up a virtual member so that you can understand how powerful this technology is. So I've set up this virtual member profile with a name and email address. I've put in a photograph and I've also put in a profile. I've selected a location and a time zone. Next, I can enable various features in this virtual member. So first thing, do I want this member to post on the community? So if I want that, I can just enable posts and then I can choose how frequently I want it to post. So do I want it posted daily, or do I want it to post 5 to 7 posts a week, or 3 to 5 posts a week, or 1 to 3? It's up to you. You can also choose the post language, and if you want to post about current affairs, let's say you are building a community on gardening, you can let the AI find out what is the latest event, latest happenings, latest news and developments in the topic of your choice, and it can create those posts for you. So you can again choose how frequently you would want to posts about the latest happenings, maybe just once a week out of the 3 that you've selected. So that is absolutely up to you. You can also choose specific days if you want it to post on specific days and timings in that day. So let's say you wanted to post in the mornings on Sundays, and on Tuesdays you want to post on the evening. You can also do that, or you can choose a random time through the day. So this is all humanizing technology that helps your virtual member behave just like a real person. And you can create multiple virtual members that behave differently, that have different personalities, different ideas. But the same thing with comment. You can enable comment, and you can choose what percentage of comments you want to comment on, and if you want to limit to a certain days, you can do so. Same with replies and same with like. So if you want to like maybe 75% of the post, you can do that. And if you want to like the comments made on post, you can do that too. And again, it lets you choose what work days this person is working on or available on. So this technology is revolutionary. You can create from anything from 5 to 15 virtual members depending on your account type. And these virtual members can keep your community a buzzing place. But that's not all. I'm going to show you something even more fun. Now, when you post on a community and you are an admin, you can actually choose a virtual member's ID. So yes, if you got a virtual member in there, you can choose their ID and post on their behalf. What happens then is you are able to post with another person's ID, and that lets you create that buzz yourself. So if you want to create a buzz without having to log in and log out of multiple accounts, this can help you do that. Next, in the post section, you can see all the posts that were created by your members. And if you want to take action on that, like if you want to ban a user, or if you want to click on the post and view the post, you can do so using the admin interface. In events, you can see the events that you've listed, and you can also create an event. The best thing is Cohortia lets you create paid events. That means people need to pay you before they can see the event details, and that means you can monetize specific events. So if you're holding a webinar or you're doing a call with special agendas and you want to let people pay to attend that call or that webinar, you can do so. The same with posts. In fact, you can create paid posts, and when people want to view that post, they have to pay you the money. So that's where you can put in all your digital content like ebooks. If you're sharing any cheat sheets, you can put those there. You can put links to courses or any other type of digital content. It's like a digital locker that people need to pay for. And talking about monetization, Cohortia also lets you monetize membership levels. So you can bring in members at the free level, let them access some content, but to access the member or the top tier level content, they will be asked to pay, and you can set it up the way you want to. You can have a monthly subscription, and people who pay for the higher level, higher tier, those are the people who get the posts or get the content that you set up for the higher tier. Now, Cohortia also supports polls. It also supports comment flagging. So people who flag anything for your review, it shows up over here, and all the earnings that you do from your various sources, you will see this over here. In settings, you can set up things like your basic information about your community. You can set up logos and banners. You can require member approval. So anybody who wants to become a member, you will need to approve them first. You can require post verification, enable members chat. And if you enable it, your members will be able to chat with each other. And you can also make your entire community paid. So people who want access, they will need to pay you first, and only then they will get to access your community. You can put in your meta pixel code and of course any other pixel code over here. You can also connect your community to various social media accounts. You can put in SMTP settings, so when your mail goes out, it will use the SMTP that you provide. You can also set up email templates for all the various messages that are received by people. Things like registration verification, forgot password, new post notification, post like notification. Every mail can be customized. Set up your categories over here that will show up on the front page of your community, and you have access to various themes like sunny day, ocean breeze. You can see all these themes and select the theme that you want to. Here are your membership levels, so you can decide what membership level a person starts at and how they gain membership levels, how they climb through the levels. You can decide at what points they are level 4 or level 5. You also have control over the notifications that people will get, and you can decide the criterion. And you can integrate major payment gateways like PayPal, Razorpay, and Stripe with Cohortia to get paid. And in membership, you can set up your paid membership levels and the features that you expose. This was Cohortia. I hope you like it. It is the most powerful AI community builder that grows your community on autopilot. So if you choose Cohortia to build your community, I will see you on the inside. This is Cyril Gupta signing off.